Deep breathing for better sleep quality tonight. Slow down and take a moment to breathe with me, just a few deep, gentle breaths, so that peace can arise within you before we begin. Inhale 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We spend our lives in pursuit of success, of happiness, of something we're always told is just beyond our grasp. But what if the peace you're searching for isn't out there at all, but right here? What if the most powerful tool for healing your mind and body isn't a new app or a new routine, but the very rhythm of your own life? For thousands of years, Zen masters have known a simple, profound secret: the breath is the key. It's the silent language of your body. And when you learn to listen, it can guide you back to a state of profound rest. Stay with me, and I'll show you how a few moments of mindful breathing can bring you the sleep you've been craving. 1. The promise: why your breath is more important than you think. Take a moment, a simple moment, right here, right now, wherever you are. Before we begin, I want you to simply notice your breath. Just observe it. Is it shallow, fast, slow? Don't try to change it. Just notice. For so many of us, this is a revolutionary act. We're so busy doing, so busy building and achieving, that we've forgotten how to simply be. I see it every day. From the boardrooms in Manhattan to the quiet suburbs of Colorado. We're a nation of strivers, always on the go. The American dream is often sold as a relentless pursuit, and we buy into it. We work longer hours, we check our emails one last time before bed, and we carry the weight of our professional lives into our personal ones. Our nervous systems are constantly on high alert, locked in a state of fight or flight. And what happens to our breath when we're in that state? It becomes short, shallow, and tight. It's no longer a life-giving force, it's a symptom of our stress. But here's a truth from Zen philosophy that will feel both simple and profound: the breath is the bridge. It's the single connection between your overthinking mind and your weary body. It's the anchor that grounds you in the present moment, pulling you away from the worries of tomorrow and the regrets of yesterday. In our culture, we're taught to fix, to solve, to hustle our way to a better future. But Zen teaches us to pause, to understand that the future you're striving for is built on the quality of your present moments. And the quality of your present moment is directly tied to the quality of your breathing. This isn't just about a sleep hack. This is about reclaiming your inner peace, We're not just talking about deep breathing for better sleep tonight, but a profound shift in how you live. For so long, you've been told that a good life is about what you have. But what if a truly good life is about how you feel, how you connect, and how you find peace within yourself? By paying attention to your breath, you can begin to heal the emotional and physical burnout that has become so commonplace. You can stop chasing a good night's sleep and start welcoming it home. In our next session, we'll dive into a simple yet powerful technique that you can use tonight. A technique that isn't a task, but a homecoming. 2. The Zen breath, a simple technique for sleep and inner peace. In our last conversation, we talked about how your breath acts as a bridge, connecting your mind and body. We saw how the pressures of modern life can turn your natural breathing into a symptom of stress. Now, let's move from awareness to action. We're not going to be adding another complex task to your already busy life. Instead, we're going to give you a simple, powerful technique to help you find your way back to yourself and to a night of restful sleep. Many of us approach sleep like a chore. We lie in bed, counting sheep, willing ourselves to fall asleep. It's a battle, and one we often lose. The Zen approach is different. It's about letting go of the need to control. You don't make yourself fall asleep, you create the conditions for sleep to arrive. Think of it like a beautiful sunset. You don't force the sun to set, you simply witness it as it happens. The same goes for sleep. This simple breathing exercise is the quiet invitation you send out to your body and mind, letting them know it's safe to rest. So, let's try it. This isn't a performance, it's a practice. First, get comfortable. Lie in bed, a soft lamp on or off. It doesn't matter. Just be present. Now, place one hand on your belly, right below your rib cage. Take a slow, deep inhale through your nose for a count of 4. Feel your belly rise, like a balloon slowly inflating. This is not about puffing out your chest, it's about drawing the air deep into your diaphragm. This is what we call diaphragmatic breathing, and it's the natural way a healthy nervous system breathes. Next, hold that breath for a count of 7. Notice the stillness. This is the pause between the incoming and outgoing tide. It's where the magic of calm begins. Finally, slowly, deliberately exhale through your mouth for a count of 8. As you release the air, imagine you are also releasing the tension from your shoulders, the worry from your mind, and the stress from your body. Feel your belly flatten as all the air escapes. Repeat this simple 4-7-8 cycle. Don't worry about perfection. If your mind wanders to tomorrow's presentation or yesterday's difficult conversation, that's okay. Just gently guide it back to the feeling of your breath, the rising of your belly, the stillness of the pause, and the release of the exhale. This practice is not about clearing your mind of all thoughts. It's about acknowledging them without judgment and then choosing to return to your anchor, your breath. Make this a nightly ritual, a quiet signal to yourself that the day is done, and it's time to find peace. Before we move into the final part of today's journey, I want to offer you a small but meaningful suggestion. If something in these words has touched your heart, if this message resonated with you, help us kindly press the like button. Your support helps spread peace and wisdom to others. Then consider gently pressing the save button and adding this video to your watch later playlist. Think of it as placing a smooth stone in your pocket during a quiet walk, a reminder you can return to whenever life feels heavy, or when your mind longs for stillness. With one click, You create a path back here without the noise of searching, without the rush of time. Later, when the world outside is too loud, you can simply open that list. And this space will be waiting, calm, familiar, ready to meet you again. Let's continue with the next part. 3. The healing breath, beyond sleep. Toward wholeness. We've talked about the breath as a bridge and a tool for creating the conditions for sleep. But what if the deepest root of our sleeplessness isn't just stress, but something more profound? For many of us in our 40s, 50s, and 60s, our nights are haunted by the ghosts of our past, the mistakes we made, the words we wish we hadn't said, or the grief we've never truly processed. Sleep becomes a fragile thing because our inner world is not at peace. The Zen perspective teaches us that a good night's sleep is not just about a calm body, but a calm heart. The breath is not just for relaxation, it can also be an act of profound healing. Think about a difficult memory or a painful emotion that you've been carrying. It could be a feeling of regret over a career choice, anxiety about your children's future, or simply a feeling of not being enough. We often try to outrun these feelings, distracting ourselves with a busy schedule, a new project, or the constant buzz of our phones. But they inevitably find us in the quiet stillness of the night. The Zen wisdom is simple: you can't heal what you don't face. And your breath is the safest, most gentle way to face it. Here's how you can use the breath to start this healing process. Before you lie down, or even during that 4-7-8 breathing practice, invite one of those difficult emotions or memories into your awareness. Don't push it away. Instead, as you inhale, consciously acknowledge that feeling. Silently say to yourself, "I'm breathing in this feeling of anxiety," or "I'm breathing in this memory." There's no judgment, just observation. Then, as you slowly exhale, visualize yourself gently releasing that emotion. Not as a rejection, but as an act of letting it flow through you and away. It's like watching a leaf on a river. You see it, but you don't grab onto it. This is the essence of true emotional freedom. This practice allows you to treat your body not as a machine to be fixed, but as a vessel for healing. You're not just preparing for sleep, you are actively mending the emotional wounds that keep you awake. The impermanence of the breath, its constant cycle of coming and going, is a powerful reminder that all things, even our deepest sorrows, are temporary. By embracing this truth, you can find a deep sense of peace that no amount of melatonin or white noise can ever provide. This is what it means to heal from the inside out. So, as we close today, I want to invite you to take one last deep breath. Feel the air fill your lungs, and feel it release. This is more than a simple act of inhaling and exhaling. It is a commitment to being present, to healing your past, and to inviting a truly restful sleep into your life. If you found value in this journey and are ready to continue cultivating your inner peace and balancing your life, please consider subscribing to our channel, Buddhism in You. Together, we can explore how ancient wisdom can provide practical, powerful solutions for the modern American life. We look forward to seeing you on your journey.